Here I've got REALME 6 Pro, and let me show you how to change keyboard dictionary on the following device. So let's open the messages to check out the current dictionary. As you can see, here it is. We are set up with English, and if you would like to change it, just tap on the settings icon, then click on languages and tap on add keyboard. And as you can see here, you've got all the possible options. The list is super wide, so you will definitely find something suitable. And if you would like to change it, for example, to, let me pick maybe Hebrew, there will be. It will be visible, the change, so just tap on done, remove the current language, go back, and as you can see, the language has been changed. This is it. Then whenever you would like to change it again, just click on the settings icon, tap on languages, click on add keyboard, pick the one that you would like to apply, tap on done, remove unnecessary language, mark it, tap on bin icon, and that's it. As you can see, we are back in English. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.